Here's your ride. There's your guide. Ms. Frizzle, teacher extraordinaire.
Okay, class, let's rock and roll.
All right!
It's a wild ride into the wonders of science.
Let's get out there and explore.
With Scholastic's The Magic School Bus videos.
Seatbelts, everyone. Here we go.
You never know what might happen.
Oh, class, say hello to the Dinopus spider, trapper extraordinaire.
Ms. Frizzle!
Hive alive.
Follow that feet. Wow! Check this out. Oh, no. You're mine now, wimp.
Take off with Scholastic's The Magic School Bus videos and find adventure on every turn.
Go for it.
We're flying.
It's a crash course in fun.
Look at these ants go.
Experiment with the mysteries of other worlds.
We're going back in time. Wow.
It's sure to be an electrifying experience.
The world is full of energy.
You'll love all of Scholastic's The Magic School Bus videos.
Head for Saturn and step on it.
Based on Scholastic's award-winning best-selling book series.
Ah, the passion of science.
Get 3 brand new videos. Spins a web, butterflies, and In a Beehive. Available everywhere.
All aboard.
Don't miss out on any of these exciting videos. Add them all to your collection.
Wahoo!
Major funding for the Magic School Bus is provided by the National Science Foundation, supporting education and research in science, mathematics, and technology. And Microsoft supports the Magic School Bus and other programs that further learning, exploration, and discovery. Additional funding is provided by U.S. Department of Energy and Carnegie Corporation of New York.
And by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and the annual financial support of viewers like you.
Visit your local library and read more about science in the Magic School Bus and other science books.